Well, good morning. Sorry for the probable worst lighting yet, but today is 999 days of consecutive painting daily. So, I am painting, getting ready to paint for today. Painted some cute winter stuff yesterday morning. And for those of you that don't know me, I'm Kasaya. My name is Kasaya, and that's my chosen favorite name of my legal given names. And I'm an artist in everything I do, but specifically in the fact that I've chosen to paint all the stupid time. So there's that. If it doesn't have paint on it, it's probably not one of my belongings. Anyway, hope you like that sunset behind me. To celebrate my 1,000 days, like any, Oregonian white lady, I have headed to the beach. So, this is where I am, and this is where I will be painting, and this is where I will be Pacific Ocean, waking up tomorrow for 1,000 days, you guys. I hope you're excited. It's like this beach. It definitely took a minute to build. We've done it. My patrons, all of my patrons have been an enormous freaking support. Like, I worry, you guys, because I have all these like abandonment issues and stuff, that I'm like gonna wake up one day after 1,000 days and like all my patrons will be like, that's as long as I was gonna subscribe for. So that being said, they're probably not gonna, and if they do have other things they need to put their money toward, like, I get it. I'm gonna be doing this for a long time, and I'm gonna be doing this as a business, and Patreon is definitely a huge cornerstone of that. So Ray Hayes, you're amazing. Well, the third. I mean, all of them are obviously, but Ray Hayes the third is my favorite. And let's see, Dan Davidson, best neighbor in the history of neighbors. Still can't even tell you how much Oliver loved those walks. So, also great patron. And my mom, obviously, my oldest patron in the books. My Aunt Becky and my Aunt Gladys have also been really helpful and amazing throughout this process. Chandler Abraham is a really good friend of mine who's done a great job being a super cool patron. Joni Ortega, formerly known as Wilson, one of my best friends in the world and also an amazing patron. Natalie, James, or Jim. Let's see, who else do we have? I'm so sorry if I'm forgetting you guys. It was an impromptu. I should definitely be doing a shout out soon. But yeah, Pat Beach is another one who's a huge, big, amazing patron to have on my team, in my corner. And ever since he was trying to get me a tattoo gun 20 years ago, I've always loved that philosophical attitude. So, sorry to any patron names I forgot. It's not because I don't love you. It is because I just woke up and the sun hasn't come up yet. But on that note, I wanted to say, like, we all have different strengths. We can't judge a bird, for his ability to swim, or a fish for his ability to climb a tree. Although, we're always amazed that there is both. You gotta do what you feel like, you gotta do what feels like it makes you in the best way possible. And that's what we're here trying to do, right? So, thanks for hanging out with my terribly lit video. I hope I didn't make you too nauseated. Here's a point of reference so that it looks grounded a little bit, but the sun's coming up, so maybe I'll actually have light from my painting. You guys, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out on the beach with me for this. And thanks for being supportive for 999 days of painting. Whoop whoop! I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Maybe I'll do some live stuff. Maybe we'll have light for painting. Maybe we'll do some cool stuff on the beach tomorrow. What? You guys have an amazing day and have an amazing holiday. And I hope you get to do a little bit of something that makes you feel like it brings you peace. All right, guys, on that note, peace. I gotta go paint. Bye.